In this video, I'll show you how to use HIX AI. Someone sent me a message requesting I make a video on how to use HIX AI. So here's the video and I'll walk you through how you can get started. If you don't know about this tool, HIX is an AI text generator that can help you tackle any writing challenge effortlessly. With HIX, you get over 120 AI writing tools to create the best copy. If you are looking for a way to create content without being detected by AI, then HIX is what you need to bypass AI every time with 100% undetectable content. It helps you generate human-like, undetectable writing. Plagiarism-free content is guaranteed. HIX has other tools like HIX Writer, HIX Bypass, SAGPT, HIX Tutor, HIX Chat. So let's get into how to use HIX. It's very simple to use. There you have it. So start creating 100% original and plagiarism-free, undetectable text with HIX Bypass. Use the free trial by following the link in the description of this video. No credit card required. It is trusted by over 2.5 million users. In the description below, I have added the link to other tools I have made tutorials about and other content creators are using. So check them out and start using them for free. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more AI tools updates. Let me know of any AI or online tool you want me to make a video about in the comment section. Keep sending your messages via my social media handles. See you in the next video.